This is an atom. In atoms, there are nucleus which contain protons and neutrons, and also electrons move around the nucleus. This is sodium chloride, known as salt. Sodium gives one electron and chloride takes one electron, which is ionic bonds. Propane is a type of gas in a gas tank and you can find it in the kitchen. Carbon share electrons with hydrogen, which is called valence bonds. It starts from solid. When we heat up, it slowly turns into liquid. And finally, it becomes gas.
When the temperature changes, the marshmallow melts and forming into a new form.
Every time you burn a candle, you can see the combustion reaction.
Combustion is one reactant is always oxygen, and the other is usually carbon and hydrogen. In a chemical reaction, atoms are neither created nor destroyed. These exothermic reactions, more energy is released when forming new bonds than it took to break the reactant bonds. This equation for the lighter, which is combustion.
We can feel the heat because the lighter releases thermal energy.
For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Like when you're pushing a table, you exert force on the table, and the table exerts force back.
When you carry a bag, the tension force is pulling it up.
And gravity force push it down.
As this wheel gets bigger, they become louder and has more energy. We are able to see the box because when the light ray hits the surface, which is the incident ray, the reflected ray will bounce back at the same angle. The iPad case is blue. We can see this because every color observed except the color of blue.
The straw in the cup bend because the light ray refract as they pass from air to water, make the straw look split.
Wire is a good conductor, so electric force can go through it, and we can use wire to charge our phone. Plastic, like a ruler, is a poor conductor, so the electric force cannot go through it. That's why we don't use plastic to charge our phone. Large voltage will be stronger, which make the light brighter. And this is a small voltage. It is weaker and the light will be less brighter.
Lightning has negative charge and the ground has positive charge. They both have different charge. That's why lightning is so powerful. The magnetic domain inside the magnet has to be fully aligned. So the magnetic field will be stronger.
If two magnets are too far apart, the magnetic field won't be as strong as when they're close.
The magnet gets strong at the edge, then in the middle. In my house, the parallel circuit is the light, and they all turn on and off independently. And this is how we build a parallel circuit. In a circuit, there are four parts. The first part is the voltage source, which is the battery, and at the right corner is a symbol for a voltage source. Next part is the conductor. An example is a copper wire, and a straight line is a symbol for a connecting wire. A switch is a third part of a circuit. We use it to open and close the path. Last but not least, an electrical device. It can be a motor or a light bulb. First of all is the voltage source, then connect the conductor to the voltage. Finally, connect the light bulb to the conductor. It will turn all the light bulbs on and off if you put the switch here. but we want them to turn on and off independently, so put a switch next to every light bulb. It's time, let's build it.